Alright, so today we're going to talk about exponents and order of operations, which should be some familiar skills, but we're going to use them, so we're going to review them. We'll start with a couple of exponent problems on the bottom. Right here we have 2 to the third power. Some might say 2 cubed. For the most part, we say 2 to the third power. What we need to remember here is that's 2 times 2 times 2. There are 3 of them in that list, not 2 times 3. That's the common mistake. We have to write it out if need be, and then we just multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Right here, 10 to the 5th power certainly is not 50. It's 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Also a 1 with 5 zeros after it. So we use exponents when we do order of operation problems, and when we do order of operation problems, we remember the expression PEMDAS. Let's pretend that's a good looking D. Sometimes people say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or anything like that. P stands for parentheses. We look for any parentheses in the problem. E stands for exponent. Multiplication and division and addition and subtraction are kind of unique. With each of those, we do whatever shows up first in the problem. So when I look at this problem here, I don't have parentheses. I do have an exponent. So I'll do that first. 2 to the second power, or 2 squared, is 4. Just going to bring the rest of the problem down. Now I have addition and multiplication. I would multiply first. 16 times 4 is 64. Bring the rest of the problem down. 3 plus 64 equals 67. An order of operations problem kind of appears like a funnel or a slice of pizza. Gets thinner as we go. So the second one on the page, 4 times parentheses, 8 plus 5. I do what's inside the parentheses first, always. 8 plus 5 is 13. Now I'm looking at 4 times 13. That's all that's left. 4 times 13 is 52. And I'm all set.